ViewModel UI state needs to survive configuration changes. It needs a home outside the activity or composable. ViewModel provides that home. Today we understand how ViewModel works and how to use it effectively. Configuration changes destroy activities. Rotate the phone, the activity is destroyed and recreated. Your data gone. User was filling a form, text lost. You can save state in bundles, but that is limited. Only small data, only primitives and parsellables. UI-related data needs to survive. Loading states, fetched lists, user inputs, but it should not persist forever. ViewModel holds UI state that survives configuration changes but is cleared when the user leaves the screen. A ViewModel outlives its activity or fragment. Create an activity, get a ViewModel. Rotate, activity dies, new activity gets the same ViewModel. The ViewModel lives as long as its scope. For an activity, until finish is called or back is pressed. When the scope ends, uncleared is called. Clean up resources there. The ViewModel is not destroyed on configuration changes. It holds state across rotations, language changes, dark mode switches. Extend the ViewModel class. Class myViewModel: ViewModel. Add properties to hold state. Add functions to modify state. In activity or fragment, get the ViewModel with ViewModels. Private val ViewModels. Private val ViewModel: myViewModel by ViewModels. This provides the same instance across configuration changes. First access creates subsequent accesses return existing. In Compose, use ViewModel function. At composable fun myscreen ViewModel: myViewModel equals ViewModel. Gets or creates the ViewModel. The ViewModel is scoped to the navigation destination or activity. Same ViewModel across recompositions. Access state from ViewModel across recompositions. Access state from ViewModel, call functions on ViewModel. The composable reacts to state changes. Val UI state by ViewModel. UI state that collect as state. Collect flow as compose state. Use state flow to expose state from ViewModel. Private val underscore UI state equals mutable state flow initial value, mutable for internal updates. Val UI state state flow equals underscore UI state. Expose as read only, update with underscore UI state dot value equals new state, or use update function. State flow is perfect for UI state. It always has a value. It emits to new collectors immediately. It works with Compose. ViewModel provides ViewModel scope. ViewModel scope is a coroutine scope tied to the ViewModel lifecycle. Launch coroutines in ViewModel scope. They cancel automatically when ViewModel is cleared. ViewModel scope.launch brace fetch data close brace. Safe lifecycle aware. Use ViewModel scope for network calls, database operations, any async work triggered by the UI. No manual cancellation needed. When the user leaves, coroutines cancel. ViewModel receives user actions and updates state. User clicks a button. Composable calls ViewModel.onButton click. ViewModel handles the action. Fetches data, updates state, state changes. Flow emits. Composable recomposes with new state. This is unidirectional data flow. Actions go up. State flows down. Clear, predictable. A counter ViewModel class. Counter ViewModel: ViewModel brace private val underscore count equals mutable state flow 0 val count equals underscore count fun increment brace underscore counter value plus plus close brace causable val count by ViewModel.count.collect the state count by ViewModel.increment UModel holds state composable displays actions modify state. UI reflects changes, survives rotation, cleared when screen exits. Let us summarize. ViewModel holds UI state that survives configuration changes. Its lifecycle outlives activities. It is cleared when the scope ends. Use state flow to expose observable state. Use ViewModel scope for lifecycle-aware coroutines. In Compose, use ViewModel function to get the ViewModel. ViewModel enables clean separation between UI and state management.